Hello, is this thing on? Hi everyone! So today we're gonna get ready and we're gonna also try some new products. Okay, I have a problem. I'm trying to do makeup harder. So I got some products from Flower Nose. Oh my god. It is the cutest. I was like, I don't know what I want to try. There's so many cute stuff. But before we try that, I always wanted a theme song. And I was like, I need a theme song. So cue the theme song.
It's the other Huda, not the one you knew to. She's here to share reviews, perhaps a laugh or two to. Lipstick, blush, a brand new shade. Huda's trying out all the looks she made, or cooking up some delicious foodie fun. Come along with Huda, we've just begun. It's the other Huda, not the one you knew to.
We already did our base because I didn't find any foundations, and the concealers were a little too pale for me. We don't want to look like Casper over here. So I just got a few things that I thought might go with my shade. So we got a highlighter, we got eyeshadow palette, we got blush, we got lipstick. This is a lip glaze and they're all from different collections. Like this one is from the Shell Jewel collection, this is from the Little Angel collection, this is from the Butterfly Cloud Color collection, this is from the Little Angel as well. So it's like mix and match different collections, and this is from the there's also Little Angel collection, so it's mostly Little Angel collection. I also got, we didn't open the packaging for this one. Actually it's it's really packed well. Sometimes when you order specially makeup, sometimes it's bad when it's not packed properly and then you receive something that broke or spilled. It really sucks when you get something like that and you're like, I spent a lot of money on it. So we're going to start with the lip repair mask. So beautiful. What I love about this spread is this is like your childhood dream. It is like your 10-year-old self. This is really cute. It's like giving little princess vibes, which is what I love about it. So actually I think I have a little concealer on my lips, so I'll remove that so I can put it on my bare lips and give you a proper first reaction. First reaction, 10 out of 10 in packaging. The very light lip mask actually. Very hydrating. It is the liquid eyeliner. First of all, C Beauty eyeliners are unbeat. And why? Because of that thin. So thin. That's why I like it. Well, you know, I got hooded eyes. We want a really thin eyeliner if we're gonna use eyeliner. First, let me open the packaging. We'll start with our eyes. It's like trying to open packaging. Oh my god! Look at that! I can't even look at the cuteness. Oh my god. I'm kind of worried about the shades actually. If it would look, oh, look at it. It has a little mirror. So I'll take a buffer brush over here. This color. We'll just start with the color from the palette. Buff away. It gives the eye a little contour, like a little definition, because it's cool toned. Packing brush. I want to take this color here. Then I get that into something very like Y2K. It's like metallics. It's bright. That is so cute actually. It's really subtle, but it makes a huge amount of difference. I'm gonna take the blue color and go over in the corner as well with it. I try to use all the colors. Shiny. Oh, look at that glitter. Now we're gonna take this color, get in our brow. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna take a shorter brush, and then I'm gonna use that to kind of create a wing. We'll try to do a wing. What can I say it? Winged eyeliner with it. This color, we're gonna get into our corner. See? Now that gives us that cat eye effect. Pencil brush. We're gonna get into the pink here. And I go along. I don't know my height of my. So I'll get into the blue. My allergies are kicking in. Oh, I want a lot of shimmer. Yeah, I'm gonna try to replicate this on the other eye. Wish me luck. When I do makeup for someone else, it's a little bit easier, but when you do it for yourself, I don't know, you always feel like something is a little off. I didn't draw it quite perfectly. This eye is not exactly like this eye, and it bothers you all day. I'm like, I did my best. But I do sometimes do my sisters and family members' makeup and, you know, experiment on their face. It's always difficult. Okay, so I just put 2 clusters from this pre-bond lash type. It's from Amazon. It's good actually. You just put it on. Doesn't need glue. For a little bit of whisper of eyelashes. Now I'm gonna use for my mascara. I don't know actually if they had mascara. I'm gonna use this one from YSL, Lash Clash. It's actually a pretty good formula from the high-end mascaras. I usually like Clio Kill Lash, but my sister took it. Either I'm gonna have to order a new one or try to get it back from her. But this one is pretty good actually. I got this actually as a freebie from Sephora, but if I was to buy a high-end mascara, I would get this one actually. It's very good. I can see why there is hype around it. It's not too clumpy, you know. I hate when mascara is too wet. It makes your lashes clumpy. So this one is actually pretty good. It's not clumpy. Yeah. Who is that girl? I always get excited when I have a good makeup day. Do you get those days where no matter how long you spend on your face or how many products you put on, you're just having a bad makeup day? No matter what you do, it's just not turning out right. Yeah, those are those funk, when you're in a bad funk days. It's all about the energy. If you feel good about yourself, even if you look like a clown, you do you. You have fun, enjoy yourself, enjoy your life, enjoy your makeup. I really like having fun actually with outfits. It just brightens my day actually. It just brightens my mood. Look at this. So this is from the Little Angel. This is number 2 color, right? Palace Lost. I'll link everything in the description if anybody's interested. I guess I'm excited for everything. Look at that. No. That. Look at this brand is winning me over. It is really winning me over because it's just so beautiful. Look at that. Look. Let's just take off our sticker. Hello, gorgeous. Look at how beautiful it is. So yeah, all of them have a mirror and you can just remove the sticker. To be honest, I wasn't like the most confident person growing up. I was quite the opposite. I was very down on myself. I was negative about myself. I think it took me actually years to get out of that. You're never good enough. You're not smart enough. You're not pretty enough. You don't need to really be enough for anybody. You just need to be happy and in content with yourself. I also had ambition. So the ambition that I had was my driving force, even though I was a negative person. I was like, I need to, because my dad is such a like, you gotta do something, you gotta work hard type of person. So that mentality was in the back of my mind, and that is what propelled me, even though I was in such a self-hating state. And that was because, I guess, if you grew up in that early 2000s emo phase, maybe it was the environment, maybe it was the fact that what was in was not your look and you didn't really see many people that looked like you. What was pretty was not you. Those things probably did play an effect to it, but I realized like pretty later on, like really later on, I was like, why are you doing this to yourself? The only person who's like miserable is you. Everybody else is enjoying their life. Everybody else is like, you know, even if that person that talks about you or tells you something or tells you disses you and says you're terrible, you're stupid, you're ugly, they're going about their day. You're the only one who's miserable alone by yourself. So why give anybody that power? Why be miserable alone by yourself? And you know, you gain nothing out of it. That person's living their best life. They didn't even know they dissed you last week. They didn't remember you. They're like, who are you again? They're living their life. So I told myself that, you know, I'm gonna start doing things to kind of make me feel better. So do my makeup, slowly get out of my shell. I think doing this even is really getting out of the shell. I don't even know, doing these YouTube videos. Maybe it's interesting to somebody, maybe nobody's interested in it, but it's kind of fun. It's fun to do. Thanks for joining me on the ride. Now I'm just going to I'm gonna get the highlighter and start highlighting. I kind of want to get some highlighter over here. That is pretty. With highlighter, more is more. We want more. We want to glow. Each one is like so detailed, so intricate, so beautiful. I've never seen packaging this beautiful. It's quite heavy actually, quite hefty. Look at that color. So this is, I think, a shimmery color, right? Flaming Hearts. That's the shade. Oh, it's a cream blush. It's a powdery cream blush actually. And just look at the detail. Look at it. Look at the... I love the detail in the compact. I'm just gonna take this angled brush from Smashbox and I'm gonna just get over here. It's very light actually, the blush. It's not really showing up, but it's there. It's like a hint. It's like a little flush. I would have liked the shade to be a bit darker, to be honest, but we'll work with what we have. With this blush to show up, you need to put on more. I don't know if this is showing up really, but like I think it doesn't really show up on camera, but off camera it just looks like it's like a hint. It's a very light blush. It's really beautiful, but maybe I'm gonna have to gift this shade because it's not showing up. It isn't. But the highlighter, I love it. I don't know, whenever I'm doing my highlighter, I don't know why I make this face. I feel like I see my cheekbones. Very cute makeup. Now, let's open our lipstick. So this is what color? Where's the color? This is number 6. Lyric poetry from the Little Angel collection. Add it. Okay, everything from this collection so far has been everything from Flower Nose. I mean, not listed because it's not one specific collection, but everything from Flower Nose so far has been really cute and really like just so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that packaging. I can see why there is a popularity with this brand. It's just so cute. This is just gonna be my bag at all times. Like, it's just so cute. The packaging is just so beautiful. If you're out and you wanna, you know, touch up on your makeup, this is so cute. You wanna have something like this. It's so adorable. This is our lipstick. Look at that color. Oh, this color will work. It's like a muted reddish brown. Our lips has been marinating. To be honest, I'm wearing this mask and I'm off. I'm done with my day. Get our lipstick. Usually I would put a lip liner because I love lip liners. That is the one makeup I can't live without. But I want to try it on and see how it looks without any other shade involved. It's like a creamy matte. So yeah, it's like a creamy matte shade. I like the color actually. Hello! Yeah, that is so cute. It's like a creamy matte shade. That is so adorable. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, no. Hello! And now, final item to try is our Nourishing Lip Glaze. And this is from the Shell's Jewel collection. Oh, this one's beautiful actually. They're all beautiful to be honest. Look at that. It's like a blue. So I think this was like a mermaid collection, right? I really love this, but I need some lip liner. So I'm gonna use my favorite lip liner from Raquel Beauty. So I used the Raquel lip liner in the color Lift It Up. I think I love a good lip liner because, you know, you need some definition on your lips. Without a lip liner, just no definition. So now we're gonna use our lip gloss, our lip glaze. Lip glaze. Better be glazed. Oh my god. That is so beautiful. Yes. Baby. I'm just gonna clean our brush. Because I hate it when you get lip gloss and you're like double dip. When somebody double dips and then your lip gloss gets funky. Gotta always clean your lip gloss brushes. That looks so stunning. Now we're done with our look. Let's style it up. Florals. Got my cute little Betsy shoes. This dress, I don't remember where it's from, but I will link it below. And this nice shirt. Look at this bag, it's so cute. I got this actually a long time ago. This is the Cinderella. It's the Disney collab with Aldo. This is so cute. This is like my girly, cute, like pink bag. It goes perfect with my outfit today. We're going all florals with our flower nose. I recently got these cute shoes actually from Betsy. They're very cute and they go perfectly with this outfit. They're so adorable. It's very like summery. I love the mesh material. It's pretty comfortable actually, and look at it. It's like a short heel, but it's very cute. You can just wear these with some jeans and t-shirt and it just makes the outfit. It's very cute. I really love actually the Betsy Johnson heels. If you liked anything in the video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Toodles!